Alright guys, let's talk about how I basically switched to bloom nutrients around this time, and I also make sure I maintain my reservoir over there with a little thing called Easy2Flow. Yeah, Easy2Flow from Autopots, right there. Easy2Flow is a bioenzyme-based microbial solution formulated with beneficial bacteria. It rapidly digests and breaks down biofilm clogs, as well as mineral, scale, and other organic compound clogs. Keeping my reservoir free from accumulation and buildup is really important. And unlike acid or peroxide treatments, Easy2Flow is an organic solution that won't harm plants or soil and can be used throughout the plant's growing cycle. In most cases, it takes just 8 hours to restore irrigation lines and emitters to 100% functionality. I add 2 milliliters of Easy2Flow per gallon in my reservoir, and this helps keep my Autopot system running smoothly, prevents any gunk or clogs in the line. It's a simple step that makes a big difference in maintaining a healthy grow environment. Now I've switched to bloom nutrients and I'm using 25 milliliters of each part A and B, and to ensure precision I pre-marked my nut needle so I know where to stop, making this process very quick and accurate. Trust me, it's annoying. I really hate measuring out powder, man, so this is not that bad. And next up is my pH adjustment. I've noticed that my pH tends to drift upwards towards 6.2 over time, so I'm starting to slightly lower the pH to about 5.6 to mitigate this. And I've prepared a diluted pH down solution by mixing pH down with bottled water in a squirt bottle. That way it helps me to slowly and precisely reach my pH goal. Remember, maintaining the right pH is crucial for nutrient uptake. By starting at 5.6, I'm aiming to keep my pH within the optimal range as it naturally rises over time. You can always double check the Autopot's pH by going into the base and seeing what it is in there. So if the reservoir reads 5.8 but the base reads 6.2, you might want to adjust a little bit. It's not a huge deal, it's just so that you're happy. For the long run while you have them, you don't want any issues to just creep up on you. And that's it, nothing else to it. That's how you maintain your reservoir with Easy2Flow. If you're interested, check it out in the Autopot store and use my promo code AutopotNova for 10% off. Alright.
Midnight and the plants just dance. Autoflowers take their chance.